This is our second day. Oh, there's an aeroplane. Second day, and we've just got up from our Formula 1 hotel, had a bit of breakfast. €6 in total, €3 each for a coffee and 2 pain au chocolat. Anyway, so it's now time for the tyre change. Ash's is coming off there. Mine is off, so we're going to swing the spanners, get our tyres put on, and then we can get some progress. How's it going, Shag?
Lovely. Just got to make sure they're in the right position. So when I come back, hello.
Yeah.
So when I come back, look at that.
You look very French there.
Don't forget the glory hole.
What is a glory hole?
Just the way you put your spindle.
Ah, okay. So progress is going well. We've been here a little time, but the good thing is that after we've finished the work here, we are good to go. The bikes are ready. So Ash is just lying down there in his green suit, fitting his rear wheel. As you can see, he's very, very happy about this job. He loves it. There's the old tyres off Ash's machine, and there's the old tyres off my machine. And all I need to do now is fit the exhaust to mine, and we're pretty much ready to go. And we are of very much appreciation to this place here, because they have been really helpful to us. So I'm gonna hopefully, well, maybe we'll buy them a Toblerone since we're in Switzerland. This garage here, look, nice old Porsche here, but this garage here has got everything for the lads. Hand washing facilities and everything.
Look at that Swarfiga.
Nice.
Swiss Swarfiga, that.
Is it?
Yeah.
You sure it's not soft cheese? So we commit these tyres to the tyre hole in the sky.
Bye bye.
They have gone.
Left.
My plan was to do a video of Ash coming up the road here. It is freezing, as you can see, snow on the side of the road, and road is a little bit slushy. There's the Arctic fox down there, but I've been waiting for a few minutes and I don't know where he is, so I am actually a little bit worried, so I'm gonna have to go and find him. So he's got big problems because my little Arctic fox over there has got a screen on it, but Goldfinger hasn't got a screen because he did a poor job on the original Morva Malaga trip. So I'm gonna have to go back. But one of the problems he has is this. So all the slush is building up on his visor. So I better go back and see where he is and what's going on. I hope he's okay. I've got good news, everyone. I found Ash, and here he is making progress up the hill. He has broken down in these terrible conditions, but it's okay breaking down. Breaking down is good. Ending up down there is bad. So let's have a look at the front of his bike. Look at the ice on there. So we're now going to have to work out sorting it out. We'll come back to you. So we don't know what the score is with Ash's scooter. It started, but it's a bit intermittent. But the thing is,
As you can see from your
it's brutal, it's cold. Look, see that, look. You know, this is like iced up. This is harsh conditions, and these are made in China, in the land of the rising sun. And
Helen Fenner, you are a goddess for getting me this. It's amazing.
there you go, he's happy about that, Helen Fenner. It's lovely to travel to different places, different countries, different towns and villages with their own little bits of charm. And this is a nice little river, big river actually, and a bit of a weir. Very dangerous, that. I'm genuinely convinced if you went down there you'd get caught in like the twirly bits, whatever you call them. Some of the people watching this will know, and you'd die. Anyway, Ash is thinking about launching Goldfinger off the bridge into that. He doesn't like Goldfinger anymore. So my thoughts were that as it started, after it had been stood for a while, that we'd got some kind of icing going up, and he started undoing the airbox and water dribbled out. which I'm reckoning here, let's have a look.
Now look.
Water.
Good for some things, bad for others.
Right.
Doesn't look that bad in there, bro.
No, it is dry, the filter is.
Hang on, no it's not, look.
It's only the bottom bit. Get the filter out.
Okay, Dad.
Why are you lying down?
Nice.
One thing you need for a job like this is
Is
a ginger tash.
We've got the police station over there anyway, so if we knack her in, we'll just have to go and punch some. Ready?
Yeah. We'll go and start a fight. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's weird. The thing is, the top part of it's dry.
Yeah, look in there.
Yeah.
It could be anything, mate.
Run it without an air filter for a minute, Shag. Just go for a ride and drag this behind you. That's the bird's nest. We'll have to see.
One rule.
What?
What don't you put in there? You decide.
A sparrow. You don't put a sparrow in there. The thoughts are with this is that actually the air filter was damp, and that, as you know, you get a wind with wind speed, you get wind chill. So as the air is going very fast through the airbox, it was probably icing the air filter, but when you stopped, it was de-icing it. So whilst Ash is just tightening up the last few things there, I want to show you how his dip and main beam work on his bike. Very much like this. Main beam, dip. Main beam, dip.
This is how you do it.
Look.
You go shag, you need a high beam on there to go like that, off the throttle, and then hold it like that.
It really shows you the quality of Chinese engineering. Having said that, the engine is very good, isn't it? The engine is awesome. The engine is awesome, but all the plastics and everything. So this day keeps getting exciting. So down there, by about half a mile, is the border between Switzerland and France. And there was a queue of traffic, so we ride up the inside of them. And I said to Ash, look at this, mate, we got the border. And I said, I'm just going to keep going because all my paperwork's in order. And Ash goes, shit, I haven't got any paperwork with me. So I was like, oh, okay. So he decides to get in line and conform, and they pulled him. So we've no idea what the situation is now. I might never see him again. Bye-bye, Ash. We've arrived at a place of sustenance and we are reunited. I thought I'll try and get on top of this mound, but the bike just sank into it. So I'm leaving it there. And there's Goldfinger. So we're at the end of day 2, and I think after Ash's border crossing, it's time for him to finish the film of the day and tell us about it. Go.
What do you want to know?
I want to know why they stopped you.
Well, you went through full speed. That was good. Waving like this. And I thought, I better play ball here. I took my time, and then this woman looked at my visor that was covered in frost. I had it up like that because the snow was going in my eyes. So I thought, I'm going to take it easy, go through. And she went, okay. And then all I could hear was you in my earpiece going, you were going, oh, you're getting pulled. I was like, shut up. Pulled in like that. And then she went, oh, where have you come from? Tell her that about 15 times that I flew into Geneva yesterday and then came up this way, which was very difficult. So it took a while anyway, and then the guy next to her just kept looking at my visor all the time, always looking at me, speaking in French, and I was thinking, I know what he's thinking here. What am I doing in these conditions? Because it was bad when it broke.
Yeah.
Anyway, she goes, pushes into my bag like that. Where's your luggage? I was thinking, it's just got undies in there, mate. Don't worry about that. So yeah, she just went, make sure you get somewhere warm fast. That was that, they let me through.
So you got away with it?
Yeah, to be fair, they were sound.
You got away with it lightly. So the other thing is that, as you'll see from today's film, is that it was cold and it was snowy and icy. Most of the day it was about -2. So anyway, we look forward to some good riding tomorrow, and we'll come back to you then.
Sunny for 3 days now.
Sunny for 3 days. Right, we'll catch you later, folks.
Good night.